Hi, my name is Manish. I am a cryo student and I am a coding teacher in Bright Chance. So I'm here to answer that what are the different methods of arrays in JavaScript. So we know that array is a non-primitive data type which can store multiple values and of different data type as well. Means it can store all the primitive kind of data types in one variable like in one array. So in that way, we have and that's why array is the most preferred method, or we can say preferred data type to work with because of its so many methods. And if you want to see that, so the first methods we're gonna use it that is concat methods that we can concat two arrays. The first method is if you can get a new variable like array3, in which if I want to concat both the arrays, I can use it like this. So this is the first method we can see where we can concat two methods. I haven't printed this variable. If I print this variable, we can see that array3 has all the elements of array1 and array2. We have one more property that is known as array3.reverse, in which if I do this, array3 will be reversed. If I just put this again, same property here, we can see that our array is now in the reverse order. We have one more property that is known as if you want to add any element at the end of the array. For that we have property that is known as push. If I want to push an element like 10 at the end of the array, so I can use this methods like we can see that 10 is added at the last. If we want to delete any item at the last, we can use one more property that is known as pop. When we type pop, an element will delete at the last. So 10 is added and then is deleted from the last. That we have done. And if we can see another property that is shift. So that is shift is used to add any and to delete any element from the start. If we just type array.shift and print our array, we can see that 9 is deleted from the first. Here it is 9, but in the next one there is no 9. It means the first one is added at the end. If I want to add any item in the starting of array, so we can use unshift method. Unshift is used to add any item at the start of the array. If I want to add like suppose 18 at the start of the array, so I can use this method. I can print it. We can see that 18 is added at the last. And if I want to find any value, suppose if I want to find that what is the index of my first element, or if what is the index of my, if I see that if I want to find the index of this 7 number, so I can just put this in the console. That it's showing me that 2 array is at 0 1 and 2, 7 is at the 2 position. There are so many methods in JavaScript of arrays. I have seen like so many like basics, or we can say that most used methods in JavaScript of arrays, and they are very useful. So they are the very common used arrays we have, common used methods of arrays we have. Thank you.